5 flowers are growing in a garden. Sam picks 4 flowers. How many flowers are left in the garden? 1. 8 fish are swimming in a lake. 5 fish swim away. How many fish are left? 3.